Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I'm here with an AliExpress haul today. I haven't made much with it as it's I seem to have quite a lot of stuff and it needs to be put away, but we'll have a bit of a look before I put it away so I can make some room. So first of all, I've been wanting to get this die set from this shop, the CRZCrafter, and I can't remember, they were doing some deal, weren't they? It was like 11/11 deal. So with a bit of money off, and I just decided to order a few things from AliExpress and it all came together in one big bundle. I like how they're doing that now. So this one's from the CRZCrafter store, and obviously it came in a plastic bag, but I've changed it up and stuck it into my magnetic sleeve. So it's the ones to make the little bottle caps, and it took me a moment to figure out how they're supposed to look, but I'm pretty sure this is now how they're supposed to look. And I have added some glossy accents on the top that's not quite dry. But that's cute, isn't it? It does look like a bottle top, actually, a bottle cap. That's the word, isn't it? So I think I'm going to make some Christmas ones up to go on some Christmas projects. And I'm sure in the future I should be making lots of non-Christmassy ones as well. I think that's really cute. And I think if you've been thinking about something for quite a while, it means that you probably do genuinely want it. So there we go. Then I got some not exciting bits. I got some of these, which are just, what are they called, like jump rings, but they were a reasonable price and they've come a good size, so I'm happy with those. And my other non-exciting one was, what do you call them? They're called like head pins or something, but you know, the ones with the little circle on the top. I just got some short ones. I've got some longer ones, but I'll get some short ones as well. So I use these quite a lot when making charms. But I can put links to these if you're interested off AliExpress. They didn't take a massively long time. So then I got some beads. Now I'm going to be honest and say I thought I was getting more in the pack than I did, because I think this was probably about £1 around that. But they are really cute, these little beads. It's hard to see them. They're kind of iridescent, clear iridescent stars. They don't seem to show up well on my hands. My hands aren't looking great either, if I'm honest. Let's try on. No, I mean, that helps in no way, shape or form, but they're very cute. I think there must be 20. That would seem like a logical amount. I mean, they're very pretty and they feel nice, like they've got a bit of weight to them, not just the plastic ones, but I think I was expecting, don't know, in my head, I must have not looked at the numbers. I was expecting a bit more. I also got some of these heart ones, and these are quite sweet. So I've had different heart ones from them before, and I was just looking to replace them. One of the ones I've got. So yeah, I've got the ones that are in here, these big chunky ones. I was just looking to replace these because I do like those. But I don't think I could find ones exactly like that for the price that I wanted to, for what I thought was a good deal. So these ones, but these are actually really sweet, aren't they? They're a bit more rounded. They're maybe a bit more grown up. No, not really, no, are they? But they are very sweet. And you get a good, that's a good quantity. If I had that quantity of the other lot, I'd be very happy. So that's, that is the beads. And then I've got some actually, these are technically beads. I come to think about it. If you define a bead as something with a hole that goes all the way through. They are little silver stars, and it's not easy to see on my unattractive hands, but there we go. Very sweet for making little charms and things, and you get absolutely loads in there, so that's going to keep me going for ages and ages. And then I did get some charms. So these ones seem to come in lots of separate little bags in pairs. I thought they were going to open nice and easily, but they don't. Let's just pull them apart. Nope, let's just cut them open. So I won't open them all, as I might gift some of them as well. But we know I like anything sort of Asian, and so I had to get these little girls. How sweet are they? Nothing to do with Christmas, so they'll most likely be waiting until my post-Christmas projects. And I can see that one actually, the hole's not probably cut through, but I think that if I use some kind of pokey tool, I can probably rectify that and make a hole in my hand potentially. Yeah, just poke that through. That was not an issue. They're really pretty, aren't they? So I think I must have got about 10, but they came in 2s. So yeah. And then of course I love Snowflake Charms. I did have a load of Snowflake Charms, but I used them on countless projects, so I just got some to replace them. And they're cute. They just look nice on Christmas charms, Christmas projects. And AliExpress, of course, a nice cheap place to get them from. And then more stars, because I like stars. I like a good star. So these are more charm ones, as they've got a little loop at the top. So those would be nice. So I did have some, didn't I, that I got from eBay that were quite similar to that. But I was going through them at a rate. And of course, you get a lot more from AliExpress for the money. So we went and did that. And then lastly, on my charm front are these ones. And I wasn't sure what they were going to look like. So I thought, oh, they seem quite cheap. Are they going to be just really, really flimsy? So we'll have a look. And actually, they're slightly more sturdy than I thought they were going to be. So they're made from very thin kind of coppery effect metal. I mean, imagine that's silver underneath if you scratched it down. But little butterflies, aren't they cute? I think they are adorable, aren't they? Actually, I would have liked them in silver. But I didn't get them in silver. I got them in this kind of pinky copper. I'm not sure. I think that's probably because that was the only colour that they had them in case you're wondering. So, yeah, that's my charms and beads and things. And then I got some die cuts and some puffy stickers. I'm going to be honest with the puffy stickers. I thought they were going to be Christmas puffy stickers. But they're not at all, are they? Which is fine, because obviously I can just use them for all the projects that are not Christmas. I was just going to use them in my December daily. But I won't be now. These weren't really cheap or anything. They were like, I think they might have even been a couple of pounds, but I just think they're really nice. Nice puffy ones, though. Kind of like the kind of thing you would get from American Crafts or something. And then I got these, and I was very pleased that these came before Christmas. These will probably go into my December daily as well. So they are Rudolph and Friends, die cut shapes, 180 pieces. We will open them up and have a look and see. 180 is quite a lot, isn't it? Let's have a look. I sort of package them nicely, and then you come in and destroy them to open them. If you're me. Right. So lots of sentiments. That's nice. It's so much easier. I do find probably the sentiments will go on cards that I need to make, because at times I lose the will to live. And it's just quicker to stick one on, isn't it? That's nice. Got a funny little face, but they're quite cute. Some of these might go on things for my little nephew. I like the little penguins, and I do love a candy cane. Not to eat. They're a bit of a disappointment, aren't they, to eat candy canes, really? Sucking on a mint stick. Now that we've got all the fancy sweets in the world that we do, but you're not very zoomed in, are you? There we go. But to look at, I do like them. That's baubles. Bubbles. Look, I love the deer. That's part of what made me get it, because the deer's so cute. I have got quite a few stamps that come out like that, but having them pre-made's nice as well, isn't it? Those little mint sweets. There's lots of like poinsettias, aren't there? Not like, but actual poinsettias. Little parcels, bows. That could be used any time of year, though. Bunting Flags, 25. Not long away now. This week went by so quickly. I'm going to pop that middle bit out. I mean, the children are like literally, they're ready for Christmas already at school, but so they're quite hyper, but still went by quickly. Quickly. And then today I braved town. Lockdown is over, and fortunately we're doing quite well down here for not having many cases, but I don't want to go to town very much. So I tried to do try and get all the things that I'm going to need to get in one go. So with a big shop. Oh, I love the little car. Like in America, we get the long, like, sort of truck, don't you? I've seen if I had one lying around. In England, it's like a little mini, isn't it? Little mini with a little tree on top. And Santa holding two big presents. The conversations about Christmas and social distancing, like, is Santa allowed to come down, and blah blah blah. It's confusing, isn't it? Trying to explain it to the children, though, I don't think they really get it, because sometimes they're all about social distancing, and other times they just can't stop hugging each other. But there we go. I guess they're all right, aren't they, because they're young. I love it. So this wasn't really cheap either, but it was under £3. I think it was £2 something. But you get absolutely loads in it. So to be honest, it's worth it. I mean, it's paper, it's not card, but most die cuts are paper, not card. So I'm quite happy, and that shows you what they should all be. See, I'm happy with all my purchases. Would have liked more of those, but yeah, I'm happy nonetheless. So if you want any links, let me know. I'll put them in the description box, and I shall speak to you all very soon. Bye. Oh, actually, I just have to show you these cute little cats. I forgot to show you. Look, they're little cat charms. Basically little resin pieces with the loop, whatever you call it, on the end. But how cute are they going to be? Not sure who else wants them other than myself, but I think they're just so adorable. And I got the mix pack. I guess that could be mango. None of them really look like Bailey. Not that that really looks like mango, but yeah, I thought they were adorable. So I'll just add that in and speak to you soon. Bye.